UCaaS, what's your definition? Is it unified collaboration as a service? Is it unified communication as a service? Is there a difference? I actually think there is. Collaboration to me is working on a project, either like one-on-one or with a team, and sharing data or sharing ideas or brainstorming on topics. Sending files back and forth like PowerPoint slides or Excel spreadsheets to me is collaboration. How about brainstorming on whiteboards or project timelines? Is that communication or is that collaboration? Any sort of co-authoring or co-editing on documents to me is collaboration. And it can take place either real time or asynchronously. I mean, we can send emails back and forth, but that isn't real time. But we can chat back and forth in real time or asynchronously. We can co-edit documents and co-author documents real time or asynchronously. Same with whiteboards. We can co-author and co-edit and brainstorm on a whiteboard in real time, or we can collaborate asynchronously as well. I guess my point is unified collaboration as a service to me is getting work done together with modalities like chat and file sharing and document co-editing and co-authoring, even whiteboarding together. Those are all collaboration to me. And to me, that is much different than unified communications as a service. In this space, I see everything real time. I view communications as modalities such as chat or phone or meetings or webinars, maybe even events. All of those modalities to me are real time, not asynchronous. Your phone conversations are obviously real time. Your meetings are real time. Webinars and events are all real time. And in all those modalities, you're communicating back and forth, whether it's a phone conversation with voice, an audio conversation with meetings, a video conversation with video. Even in webinars, you can have reactions and Q&A and chat, all real time. Now the gray area. Nothing is ever a 0 or a 1, but that's kind of half the fun, isn't it? How would you classify SMS? It can be real time or asynchronous. You can share documents and pictures via SMS. But that sounds closer to communication to me than collaboration. How would you classify voicemails, for example? They obviously aren't real time, but they are communicating a message. But it isn't really collaboration as defined above. It's purely communication, but it's not real time. What about a meeting recording? Is that communication or collaboration? Same with an on-demand webinar. How would you classify those? Here's an idea. What about making collaboration a subcomponent of communication? I'll give you an example. A real-time meeting is communications, but what about sharing a document and co-editing the document real time? That would be collaboration and communication at the same time. And if you've watched this far, does it even matter? Is there even a reason to define the two into two separate categories? If we want to truly understand the real meaning of UCaaS as a platform, is the C stand for communication or collaboration, or does it matter? So what do you think? Is there even a difference between communication and collaboration when it comes to UCaaS? I don't know either. I'm Patrick Kelley, the tattooed nerd, just trying to get you to think a little bit today. Good Lord. That was a lot. Okay. Are we done? Can I get back to work now? Thank you.